Hi, I'm Bill. When I came to Dr. Pearl's office, I was in constant pain. My pain level in my left shoulder was 9. The one in my right shoulder was probably about a 5 all the time. After 3 treatments, my pain level in my left shoulder, while I'm sitting here, I have no pain in either of my shoulders. Worst, the pain now in my left shoulder is maybe a 3 at worst. In my right shoulder, I have zero pain. At its worst, it might be a 1, but most of the time, I don't have any pain. I can do my job, I can sleep, I can sit here in comfort. I think it's amazing. To me, this process has been amazing. As far as my shoulder pain went, I was at my breaking point. I had been in pain for at least a year. My options were joint replacement, bilateral shoulder replacement. So I had to find something. I found stem cells, and they've been amazing. My orthopedic didn't really give me any more choices, except they said I was kind of young.